I'm Dwayne Pinnell with Transwest Truck Trailer RV in Belton, Missouri, and today I wanted to show you this really great Super C. It's one that Newmar makes, and this is called the SuperStar, and we are in the 4061 floor plan. That's a single bath floor plan. You still have a king size bed, 40 foot in length, plenty of space for you and the family to go along, and plenty of tow capacity, which is a great feature for a Super C. This has a Cummins 350 horsepower engine. It's an 8.9 liter. You have an Allison transmission here and 20,000 pound tow, which again should tow just about anything you have to tow behind you, be it a stacker trailer, be it a smaller trailer with a car inside, motorcycles, any of those things that you might want to take along with you on vacation or wherever it is you're going to go. So I want to just walk around the inside. Katie's going to show you the outside of the vehicle after we do the video, or she might show it before we showcase the vehicle inside. But this is our stock number 17N210877, and the retail on this coach is about $504,000. That's the MSRP. First of all, I'm going to start up in the cab. I'm going to walk past Katie here, and just to show you, this Super C does not have the bed above the cab. You've got lots of storage space here in the front so that you can store those things that you need handy while you're in the cab. And then you've got this great floor that Newmar's done a great job with. They connect the coach to the cab very sleekly, so it's not obtrusive in any way as far as your visual. And then you have the step down, like most step downs would be in a Super C, right here where my feet are. This one is closer to the dash and actually where your feet normally and naturally fall when you're sitting in the coach, and it just makes for a great vehicle. All the way from the front to the back, you've got a flat floor. You can see the dash here, everything nicely laid out with the transmission, with your air conditioning controls, all your settings, your parking brake, and I wanted to show you this feature also. Some Class Cs you cannot turn the front seats around as you can in this one. Another feature, because we do not have the bunk bed above, is that you have a skylight here in front. I'm just going to show you that real quickly, that you can raise for a lot of natural light in the coach, or if you get too much natural light because of the sun, you can just simply put down that blackout shade, and also blackout for nighttime as well when you retire. On this particular coach, this is the Belmont decor inside. We've got the Newport glazed maple cabinets throughout. The booth dinette here. Now this also makes a sleeping space. This coach is going to sleep comfortably, depending on the size folks that would sleep here, 4. And then on this side, we have the individual recliners. And those are really nice wall-away recliners that you can sit in, prop your feet up to watch the TV that's angled here to my left, and to your right as you're viewing. As Newmar does in all of their coaches, you've got the air conditioning right down the center of the coach. So when this full wall slide on the driver's side is in, and the passenger slide is in, you have these opposing slides, which gives you a lot more floor space here in the coach. You do not suffocate any air by vents being on the outer perimeters of this ceiling here, because everything is right down the center of the coach. 2 ACs on the unit. It's a 40-foot coach, if you'll remember. Great above cabinets. You are going to have day and nighttime shades. Very nice lighting controls in several different places, controlling different lights throughout the coach, and we are talking LED lights here throughout. Nice valances with the wood accents, great daylight, and for the sake of doing the video, we like to keep those shades down just so we have better light when we're trying to display the coach and show it to you as you're watching. More cabinet space here. There can't be enough, as any of you who've traveled many years in one of these know that that's very important. And you've got a mid-entry for the coach from the outside. Of course, you've got the cab doors being a Super C, but you also have a step cover here that deploys and comes to floor height, so you're not losing really any floor space by having to move and manipulate around that stairwell. Great counter space here, residential style faucets, stainless steel sinks, 2 of them. And this is an all-electric coach. So we have a Oasis system. Down below, you can increase your countertop space by lifting this into place. Gives you a little bit more working room. Plenty of cabinets below, above. Great convection microwave. Again, this is an all-electric coach. Plenty of drawer space. This one is equipped, which is a option, with a dishwasher as well. And you have, again, as Newmar's done recently, you've got these covers that cover your induction cooktop, which can be lifted out, and you can take that anywhere you've got a electrical outlet and just simply plug it in. So again, I say it, you know, when I do these videos, that you might have something like fish or something that would normally smell up the coach, and you don't have to do that here. You can do it outside, bring everything in, and then clean it up after you've prepared the meal outside. LED lights, as I mentioned earlier, got a great, fantastic fan right here to take out any of the fumes if you would use the cooktop inside. And then great appointments like the pictures and everything on the wall. Great wall board, great colors throughout. Just a really, really beautiful coach. You do have the floor port here for your central vacuum. And then if you choose to plug in that vacuum, you can do that here from this port as well. Newmar, again, genius with these doors. So with this full wall slide in, taking up the space in travel mode, you still have full access to the bathroom here in the center of the coach without hitting the refrigerator or the cabinetry on the opposing side. And full-size residential refrigerator here with the freezer drawer below, and you've got the ice maker, drops the ice in the tray below. And then great full-size pantry all the way down. Very generous in the space that they've offered here in this 4061. And then you've got the bathroom here. Great vanity, great tile, full-size shower, and you've got a skylight even for those very tall people. You can pop your head up in there if you need to take a shower and get cleaned up for your day. Privacy, if you have anyone traveling with you, you've got this great privacy door closing off the master bedroom from the rest of the coach, the living area. And great solid door too here. So it would be sound dampening if you've got somebody who likes to stay up late versus somebody who likes to retire earlier in the night. Stepping on back into the beautiful bedroom, we have great drawer space here, 6 of them, under a window and under your TV for entertainment with overhead cabinetry as well. Newmar uses great hinges. Those will stay up very nicely. You don't have to worry about them falling down like many of them do in other coaches that aren't of the same caliber. And then your audio-visual equipment here with a glass front, so you can use your remote control. King-size bed, USB ports and electrical outlets on either side. And then you do have a little bit of shallow storage space here under the bed. So for blankets, sheets, linens, anything like that that you want to carry along and have access to, you can do that. And again, as Newmar's been doing for the last few years, you have a Cpap port up here, just under the, above the head of the bed on either side. Electrical outlet inside, so the unit can go in here, can be plugged in. The hoses and the mask can just simply drop down through the port, and you can sleep nicely. Don't have to have that on your side tables. Freeze that up for other things that you might want to keep there. Maybe your phone charging at night, because you do have those USBs on either side in the coach. And then you've got a stacked two-piece washer dryer. Splendid. And then the really great wardrobe in the back for your hanging items. This is the cushion for that booth dinette, so when the table's in the down position, this fills that void for whomever is sleeping there, and still continuation of more drawer space. So really, really great utilization of space. Again, this is a 2022 Newmar SuperStar 4061. I'm Dwayne Pinnell. My phone number, please call me 816-516-5312. And my email is Dwayne, DWAYNE PINNELL @transwest.com. If you look at our website, transwestrv.com, see any of the inventory that we have there, give me a call. I'd be happy to help you with anything that you're looking for and try to earn your business. It'd be my pleasure to do so. We're still looking for used vehicles, so if you have anything that's under 10 years old, we'd be interested in speaking with you about that, to purchase it from you if you're wanting to get out of your RV lifestyle. We're looking for great quality vehicles, which is what we at Transwest here like to sell, hence the Newmar name, the Tiffin name, and we'd love to earn your business. I personally would love to earn your business. 816-516-5312. Dwayne Pinnell, thank you for joining me today. Have a great one.